everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. It's Rog here, and today I'm going to be cooking a very winter warming soup. It's a classic soup. It's carrot and coriander and it's so healthy. I'm going to add some garlic, some cumin. It's going to be so full of flavour, and this winter you're going to love it. So stay tuned, watch this video and enjoy. So here are the ingredients that we're going to need for this very healthy carrot and coriander soup. We're going to need carrots, obviously. I've got about 5 carrots here, 2 white onions that have been chopped up, and I've got some garlic cloves here, and of course a coriander, and a whole heaped teaspoonful of cumin, ground cumin there, and we've got about 1 litre of vegetable stock. And there it is. This dish is so healthy, guys. Here's a quick view of the coriander. It's really fresh, picked from the supermarket this morning. First we add some olive oil to a pan, then we can put in our onions, all nicely chopped up as you can see. In they go. And then we can put in our garlic as well, also nicely chopped up. Now we're going to cook these for a little while, just until they're sort of like nice and translucent. That's what we want. Probably about 5 minutes. Then we can add our carrots. There we go, didn't even drop one. And we're going to cook these down for about another 3 minutes. Then we can add our vegetable stock. About 1 litre. Add a teaspoon of ground cumin. Then we want some salt and some pepper for seasoning. Add a good handful of washed and cleaned coriander. Then we're going to leave this to simmer for about 10 or 15 minutes. Now I'm going to reserve a small amount of this stock, because at the end of the process, if your soup is a little bit on the hard side, a little bit dry, needs a bit of liquid in there, we can put some of the stock back in. So anyway, now I'm going to put all of this into a blender. Well, not quite all of it, some of it fell out. Followed by a drop of water just to top it up. On with the lid. And then we're going to give this a real good whiz. Right, so after that's done, we're going to pop it back into the pan, back on the hob, and add in another handful of coriander that's been chopped up, as you can see. This just adds a little bit of texture to the soup. A little bit of the reserve stock, because I thought it was a bit too thick. And then it's time to plate up, or should I say bowl up. I'm going to just top it off with a little bit of cream. This is the only part of this dish, this very healthy meal, that isn't quite so healthy. But it just finishes it off. A little bit of green on the top, job done. Now doesn't that look delicious? Look at the lovely colour. It's beautiful, isn't it? So now it's time for a taste test. That'll do me. That's amazing. That really is tasty. I shouldn't say amazing. I've made it before, I'll make it again. It's a winter warming soup, very healthy, carrot and coriander. Please make it yourself. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and please like, subscribe and share. And yeah, I'll see you guys again next time. Bye for now.